If you want to quickly clean up your footage and remove any unwanted parts, learning how to trim a video in CapCut is one of the most useful editing skills you can have. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to trim a clip in CapCut PC, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a fast and easy editing step that can help you make your videos more polished, more professional, and much easier to watch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and beginner-friendly editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once CapCut is open, make sure you're in the project you want to edit. If you don't already have a project open, create a new one or load an existing one from your recent projects. After that, you'll want to drag your video into the timeline. You can do this by importing your footage into CapCut, then clicking and dragging it down into the editing timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the main editing work happens, so make sure your clip is placed correctly before you start trimming. Once the video is on the timeline, select the video clip. Just click once on the clip so it becomes highlighted and ready for editing. This step is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to adjust. Now, move your cursor to the beginning or end of the clip. As you hover over either edge, you should see the trim handle appear. This handle lets you shorten the clip without deleting the whole file. It's one of the easiest ways to remove extra footage, dead space, awkward pauses, or anything you don't want in the final edit. When the trim handle appears, click and drag the edge inward to remove the unwanted parts. If you want to cut off the beginning, drag the left edge toward the center. If you want to remove footage from the end, drag the right edge inward. As you drag, you'll see the clip becoming shorter right on the timeline, so you can visually control exactly how much you're removing. This gives you a very precise way to tighten up your video and make it flow better. Keep dragging until the clip reaches the desired length. If you go too far, don't worry, because you can always adjust it again. The good thing about trimming is that it's quick, flexible, and non-destructive, which means you can keep refining your edit until it looks right. Once the clip is at the length you want, release the mouse to lock in the change. At that point, your clip will stay trimmed on the timeline, and the unwanted section will no longer be part of the visible edit. You can then continue editing the rest of your project, add transitions, text, music, or any other effects you want. And that's really all there is to it. Trimming a video in CapCut is simple, but it makes a big difference in the quality of your content. Whether you're cutting out mistakes, removing silence, or just tightening up your pacing, this is a basic skill every editor should know. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.